stability of homeownership. Buying a home provides stability that renting simply can't match. Imagine having a place that's truly your own, where you can paint the walls, renovate the kitchen, or plant a garden without seeking anyone's approval. Homeownership gives you complete control over your living space, allowing you to create a sanctuary that reflects your style and long-term vision. Financially, owning a home is often seen as an investment. As you pay down your mortgage, you're building equity, a kind of forced savings that can become a significant asset over time. Real estate also tends to appreciate, which means you could sell your home for a profit down the line. This sense of ownership and financial growth can bring incredible peace of mind. But there's no denying that owning comes with challenges. Maintenance and repairs are now your responsibility, and those costs can add up quickly. From replacing a roof to fixing a leaky pipe, unexpected expenses can strain your budget. And let's not forget about property taxes and homeowners insurance, which are ongoing costs you'll need to factor into your financial plan. Despite the responsibilities, homeownership is a dream for many because it represents security, permanence, and the opportunity to grow wealth. It's an investment not just in property, but in a lifestyle that prioritizes roots and long-term goals.